Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. And whatever your time zone, wherever you are, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Joa, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. I bless every one of you for this morning. It is a wonderful and a beautiful Tuesday morning. Guys, the clock is ticking. We are gradually getting to the end of our distribution. We bless God for things that are unfolding in the community. We thank God for the grace and we thank God for the wisdom that God has given to our able admin in steering and in moving the community forward. Guys, I want to admonish and charge everyone and advise everyone who has been looking from afar and thinking that, what is the essence of this culture? Guys, it is very, very important for you to be among the culture. Just very few people alone. So, guys, if you actually want to be among this culture member, this will be the people that will be steering the community immediately after the distribution. All you need to do is do all within your best and always pay your program fee in crypto continually, non-stop. Non-stop. This is the only way, this is the only criteria for you to be among the culture member. Determination to always pay your program fee in cryptos continuously. No breaking, no skipping of any months. Guys, and don't forget, immediately after the distribution, that's the distribution. Yes, you will be given the winner's token in corresponded that was same amount of TBC in your wallet. Oh God, this is awesome. I mean, this is awesome. Guys, the token is a public coin. Don't forget that. And it can be traded by anybody, even those who are not TBC members can trade it. Why? Because it's on the public exchange. You can buy and sell, make your gain. So, guys, this is awesome. But what? Be among the culture member so that you will enjoy the abundance that is yet to come. Apart from what? Having the abundance in your wallet, yes, you also be among the crypto millionaire, the public coin millionaire. Yet to come. So, guys, few slots left. Do all within your best. Pay your program fee in crypto now to join the culture. And as from next month, we'll be paying with the token. Guys, it is essential you join us. Yes, very, very essential you join us. It's good to be among the culture member. We are happy and we delight being a member of the culture. We are proud member of the culture. So guys, come on board, join us. And don't forget, let us continue to share the gift. Let's continue to bring many people into the community. As many people can let our people bring them into the community. Let's share the gift. Let us end our distribution fast. I wish you all the best today in your work, in your various prosperity. I wish you success. See you guys. Yes, come your way next time. Don't forget, I want you to like this broadcast and watch, press that bell and subscribe to it. Thank you. Cheers.